Day 15, let's go. We're gonna move and groove. We can have some fun practicing our balance again today. We're gonna start with our twist, but can we come up on a leg? We did balance and strength yesterday. Had our yoga mat, doing some yoga postures, love it. Mixing it up a little bit. Find what works best for you. That's the best exercise. But I really want to keep on this theme of balance, bringing physical balance into our lives. It's really finding the things that work best for us. So just come up a bit. So we're getting a nice twist, getting warm, stretching, but can we add a little bit of a balance into it? Let's have some fun. Let's just move a bit. Get a little warm. Just to the side. Just reach down a bit. Nothing crazy. Hopefully you just gotten up. You're getting your morning movement in. You can do a little dance to it. Childlike. That's the goal. If you're a child, seek success to remain childlike. If you're an adult, secret of success, regain my childlike nature. Let's do our standing jack. Can we do it with a little extra? To the side. So we keep working the balance. Get the leg up a little bit more. Just finding balance really is, it's a journey. I don't know if it's found, but more created. I think when we get the physical balance, somehow it's all connected. We can seem to find more balance in our lives so that we can enjoy the pleasures of the world, but maybe not overdo it. Just to the side, and then just like a Heisman stance. There's a trophy given out for the best U.S. college American football player. And the statue looks like this. So just move and get that leg up, creating some mobility and balance. Balance in our lives it's a journey that's ongoing. It's going to evolve and change over time. But where you can find those things that align with the person that you are. That was, I was saying, it was a struggle for me. To be honest, it was about 15 years to stop drinking alcohol. Just a habit I got into. And for me, balance with that is zero. There's other things. If you can have a glass of wine, go for it. That's all. If you really, really enjoy it or super mindful about it, one glass of wine isn't going to negatively affect our lives. Most things done really, truly, intentionally, and mindfully won't. So we should enjoy all the pleasures that we can of the world, but find out the ones that really work for you and the ones that don't, and just leave those behind. Those are for other people. Those aren't for me. Beautiful. Not one size fits all. I think it's about honesty. Can you look yourself in the mirror and be truly honest with yourself? Is this thing that I'm doing aligning with the person I wish to be? And if you can say, no, it's not, you can stop. No willpower needed. This is who I want to be. That doesn't align with it. Full stop. Oh, this I can do. I can enjoy some potato chips or French fries once in a while. Then do it. If you need to stop and tie your shoe, then you should. This is a really good move. This is feeling great. I hope you're enjoying it. You can hold it for a second. Last couple, just hold it. And balance. Beautiful. Boom, boom. just some heel kicks. The whole purpose of this challenge was just to build the consistency and discipline of morning movement, just to get the bodies loose, energized, elevate the mood. We can add some balance into it. Happy days. Hopefully you'll have found a few movements over the first 15 days here that you can continue to do. I'd like to start another challenge for the new year. If there's certain exercises, movements, workouts that you'd like to do, let me know. I'm happy to do anything as long as I'm moving. Maybe pick up the pace a little bit here. Yes? Kick the leg up a little higher. Oh yeah. What if we hold it for a second? The other side. You notice how some days the balance is much better than other days, or one leg is much better than the other? Who knows? Acceptance. Oh, today I'm not at my best with my balance. That's fine. Even more reason to practice. Oh, let's just move a little bit. Shake it out. Oh, take some breaths in. Just feel alive. Get the arms going a bit. As we do this, if you can, I'm gonna side to side. Hold. 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 Smash your hand on the bookshelf. Don't do that. That one's just for me. Hold as best you can. Really, yeah. If you can't get your arms around as much as you can, real nice stretch in the upper body, the shoulders. This is delightful. One more. Hold it. Yeah. Okay. This can look a lot differently for each of us, but a nice forward lunge. This is a terrific move to build strength and balance. So you're just gonna step, and then the other side. You could be, even if it's just doing a step and coming back. Wonderful. Use your arms. But maybe you can sink a little bit deeper. Get the knee to the ground, possibly. When you're ready, maybe you look forward. We can raise our arms up. Whatever works for you. This is great for building strength in the glutes, stability in our hips. What if we, wherever you get to, what if we hold it for a moment and back? Hold it. Little prayer pose. We could even twist if we like. Ooh, nice one. Lots of modifications that can happen here. It's a great one to start the day. Get the heart rate up. Oh, there's so much we can do with just simple body movements. Oh, yeah, not bad. Pardon me. Stand, feet together. And let's just do a few side leg lifts. Got your chair here if you want to hold on to it. Other side. If you need to hold on. If you can maybe do one while you hold on, another one while you do it on your own. Brilliant. Ooh, okay. I can feel that in the hips. Nice. Okay, let's go for a walk. We're going to do a little, since I was already talking about drinking, I never actually had to do this, but field sobriety test, heel to toe. Just have some fun. Pick a line. Heel the toe. And see how the balance is there. And then turn. When you're out today, maybe see something, a fence that's low, that's just sort of a boundary that maybe you can get up on and walk across. Find these little things in our environment that you can practice balance. Be childlike. What would a kid do? Oh, there's a little thing. Oh, I can go walk on that. See some rocks. Get off the sidewalk and go climb on the rocks. Do it because it's fun and it's going to promote strength and balance. If there's somehow you're on a road and it's safe and there's a line. Oh, walk right along the line. Heel the toe. Maybe just find things. Start to see things differently. Change the way you look at things. See everything as an opportunity to build balance and strength, but to play. To be childlike. Nice. Let's go side to side. Just a tiny little squat, okay? Strength. What if we went to one foot and got down a bit? What's that like? Other leg. Ooh, get the balance and then squat as much as you can. Crossed. Ooh, yep, get the balance first. That's nice, eh? Balance. Ooh. And squat. Nice. And, ooh, mama. Yeah. One more, our best one yet. Balance and down. Brilliant. Nice and easy today. Lovely. We're going to spend our time focusing now. You can stay in this position. I'm going to come into tree posture again. I really do love this move to practice my focus and attention. You do what's best for you. If you here, whatever works for you. But I'm going to hold this for about 30 seconds, then switch legs. I'm going to come into my prayer. This is much easier, barefoot. Find your balance. That's where you're at. Just notice. What happens if we remove all the mental noise? Oh, this is hard. I keep falling. What if we're so conscious of this moment? We're not thinking about anything. Just being. Switch over to the other side if you're in this position. Again, maybe even just right here. Come up a touch, whatever you like. Arms can be up, they can be at your side, whatever you like. Sometimes they're good to help balance. Give 5 seconds of complete attention. Pick something here. My finger right there. Focus entirely on that. If you get yourself wavering, you fall, you just come right back. It's all a practice. Just one more moment. Just be. Yeah. As I go down, that ended perfectly. Go create the right balance for you and your life. Enjoy the pleasures. Just enjoy the ones that align with the person you wish to be. Well done today. See you tomorrow.